Hello everyone. Today I am here with a new lesson. But before going to discuss the lesson, I would like to say you one thing, that is, on my previous videos I discussed all the four forms of present tense. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So today's lesson is past tense. But before going to discuss the topic, we all have to know how many forms of past tense are there. So let me say it. There are four forms of past tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. So today we will learn the simple past tense. First, we all have to know what is the meaning of past. So past means something which has happened in the past time. Understood? Past means the action which has been completed in the past moment. Okay? Suppose if I say, I went to school yesterday. So I went to school yesterday, it means the action has been completed in the past moment. Understood? So now let me say what is the definition of simple past tense. So the simple past tense is used to expressing an action that has been completed in the past time. Okay. Now we have to use some words which indicates the simple past tense properly, like yesterday, day before yesterday, and last night, last moment, last year, last month, and so on. One thing is very important we all have to remember, that is, there are be verb in simple past tense. So what is the be verb of simple past tense? Was and were. But we all have to know how to use was and were. Let me discuss it. When the subject is first person singular number, then we have to use was. And when the subject is third person singular number, then also we have to use was. But when the subject is first person plural number, we have to use were. As well as when the subject is third person plural number, we also have to use were. Let me give some examples to make you understand properly. Like if I say, I was ill yesterday. Okay. So I was ill yesterday. Why here the be verb is was? Because the subject I is first person singular number. So according to the rule of English grammar, when the subject is first person singular number, we have to use the be verb was in simple past tense. Understood? Let me give one more example. If I say, he was ill. Okay. So why here the be verb is was? Because here the subject is third person singular number. So according to the rule of English grammar, when the subject is first person singular number and third person singular number, we must have to use the be verb was. Understood? He was ill. Understood? Now let me give one more example where we have to use the be verb were. Suppose if I say, we were Delhi in last month. Okay. So here the be verb is were. Why? Because when the subject is first person plural number, we have to use were. Here the subject we is first person plural number. That's why the we verb is were. Understood? And let me give one more example. If I say, they were late for class yesterday. So they were late for class yesterday. Why the we verb is were? Because here the subject is third person plural number. Understood? So according to the rule of English grammar, when the subject is first person singular number and third person singular number, we have to use was, and when the subject is first person plural number and third person plural number, then we have to use the we verb were. Understood? I hope you all have understood and definitely enjoyed the lesson today. So I think I have to stop here and I will be back on my next video. Thank you.